What's up, the new channel? This is Maki. I'm very happy today kasi I always get to sing sa mga ganitong kalaking events. So I'm just really happy today. And I got to sing with Ben and Ben, diba? Actually, I was really thrilled and honored na people are talking about it online. And first ko siyang sinabi talaga sa Bughaw launch. Kasi nag-release po ako ng bagong music video. So Bughaw, parang days ago lang siya. So sana ma-check nila yon. And of course, about the album. Grabe, this album was so long overdue, but now I get to announce it that Color Coaster album is coming out very soon. And kagaya nga sa title niya, may colors siya. So marami kayong aabangan na colors soon. Hulaan nyo kung ano yung mga favorite nyong colors to naman. Baka ma-release namin, di ba? It's always a new thing for me na nag-explore ng mga bagay na never ko pa talagang na-imagine na gagawin ko. Kasi it's one thing to sing and write, pero to sing for a movie, di ba? Sobrang laking bagay sa akin noon. And it's a new thing for me, and I hope na kunin pa ako ng ibang mga movies or series, di ba? Kasi hindi lang yan pati yung sa Namumula naman, kinuha din for Don Bell and now for Kim Pao. So this new version actually, medyo kumakalat na rin siya online. It's a dilaw, warmer version, mas mellow, mas ballad. And I hope marinig nyo na yan very soon. Excited na rin ako.